Hi, want to know फायदे की बात? HDFC Securities is bringing you a host of exciting फायदे के features on its trading platforms to help you trade smart and fast. Let's dive in. This brings us to our fourth फायदे का feature, mutual funds and stocks as pledge. Did you know that you could use your mutual funds and stocks in your Demat account to increase the limit for trading in futures and options segment? Let's say you have spotted great short-term opportunities in the future and options segment, but you don't have the trading limit to make the trade. Just pledge the mutual funds or shares in your Demat account to raise your trading limit and make the most of the opportunities. You pay zero fees for pledging securities held in your Demat account. Isn't it what you call फायदे का feature? All these and many more फायदे के features are available with HDFC Securities. Visit hdfcsec.com/फायदे के features for more information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.